Welcome to today's edition of Crypto Corner at InvestorIdeas.com. News on what's driving the cryptocurrency market. Hello everyone, this is Sam Mowers here and welcome to episode 527 of the Crypto Corner podcast. For news today, Bitcoin has reached a new all-time high following an announcement that MasterCard is adding crypto support. BNY Mellon has announced a digital assets unit, and RIOT blockchain will reach a milestone hash rate capacity with the deployment of new miners. Just before we get into all of that, a quick reminder that if you enjoyed this podcast, please feel free to share it or leave us a review. Also recommend checking out some of the other podcasts on InvestorIdeas.com. Some of these include the Clean Tech and Climate Change podcast, as well as the Cannabis podcast, both of which will bring you up to speed on the latest stock news and trends in their respective spaces. So Bitcoin has resumed its rally, registering a new all-time high trading price of $48,050 earlier this morning. That is according to data from CoinMarketCap. It had come near this price earlier in the week, following news that Tesla, which trades on the Nasdaq under the ticker symbol TSLA, had invested $1.5 billion into the cryptocurrency and had plans of integrating it as a payment system. One story that is surely fueling this rally is that MasterCard, which trades on the New York Stock Exchange under the ticker symbol MA, just announced that it will start supporting select cryptocurrencies directly on its network. The company's Executive Vice President of Digital Assets and Blockchain Products and Partnerships, Raj Damodaran, wrote, quote, "We are here to enable customers, merchants, and businesses to move digital value, traditional or crypto, however they want. It should be your choice. It's your money." End quote. He went on to indicate, quote, "With 89 blockchain patents granted globally with an additional 285 blockchain applications pending worldwide, we already have one of the payments industry's biggest blockchain patent portfolios to draw from to make these projects successful." End quote. Following this, America's oldest bank, BNY Mellon, which trades on the New York Stock Exchange under the ticker symbol BK, announced the formation of a new enterprise digital assets unit that is designed to be the industry's first multi-asset digital custody and administrative platform for traditional and digital assets. Roman Riegelman, the CEO of Asset Servicing and head of digital at BNY Mellon, said, quote, "BNY Mellon is proud to be the first global bank to announce plans to provide an integrated service for digital assets. Growing client demand for digital assets, maturity of advanced solutions, and improving regulatory clarity present a tremendous opportunity for us to extend our current service offerings to this emerging field. Pending further evaluations and approvals, we expect to begin offering these innovative and industry-shaping capabilities later this year." End quote. RIOT blockchain, which trades on the Nasdaq under the ticker symbol RIOT, will achieve an estimated hash rate capacity of 1.06 exahash per second with the deployment of the newly received 2002 S19 Pro Antminers. This is according to an announcement today. The company's CEO Jason Les explained, quote, "Exceeding 1 exahash per second in hash rate capacity marks a major milestone for the company. While we are proud of this accomplishment, we view it as the successful completion of just one of many steps of our ongoing growth plan. RIOT continues to receive and deploy next-gen miners from Bitmain and remains on schedule to more than triple our currently deployed capacity by the fourth quarter of 2021. End quote. That does it for today's Crypto Corner. If you would like to be a guest or sponsor for this podcast, contact InvestorIdeas.com. Investor Ideas reminds all listeners to read our disclaimers and disclosures on the InvestorIdeas.com website. And this podcast is not an endorsement to buy products, services, or securities. Investors are reminded all investment involves risk and possible loss of investment. To hear more InvestorIdeas.com podcasts, please visit InvestorIdeas.com/audio. And a reminder, you can also hear our podcasts on Spotify, iTunes, TuneIn, Stitcher, Spreaker.com, iHeartRadio.com, and Google Play Music.